Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And as you can see, I'm here in the Butterfly Mansion and I'm going to be showing you guys where you can get Giyu. So as you can see, after I reach level 46, I'll have to defeat Giyu to unlock that skill for my final water breathing skill. Now, where do I go? So once you're in the Butterfly Mansion, right here in the entrance, this is the entrance to the mansion. You just want to look at this direction and run straight. That's all you want to do. You just want to run straight. So when I keep on running, when you see that overlog, you should realize that's the sign that you're already close. Just keep on running for a bit more and you should be walking around in the middle, right over there. As you can see, there's Giyu. So I'm going to try and fight him. I'm going to die, but hey, it is what it is. As you can see, he will have some sort of bodyguards around him, so it's kind of like it's gonna be hard. As you can see, I'm already at half HP. These bodyguards, they will not leave him alone. I honestly I hate this little mini game. I'm just gonna die real quick, but yeah, it's as simple as that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.